whatever other channel is gonna go up on there. But welcome to my garage, built it myself, proud. But the main point of this is to talk about the 190 and pretty much everything that we're gonna build on this. It's already been with me for 16 years, so it didn't look like this when I got it. It was like a yard slash barn find. Got it on real cheap, so I figured over time I'd be able to fix it up, share that knowledge with you guys, because the forums are sloppy, they get bogarted, whatever it may be. I'm not gonna make this thing like a fantasy video. It is what it is. I'm gonna document all of it. You can fast forward it, do whatever you wanna do. Comment if you have questions, even if you don't, whatever, who cares? This is more informative. I'm not here to make money, I got a job. So hopefully this benefits you and anyone who may have similar body style type cars from this era, because it can be confusing, and usually it's not the car's fault, usually it's the owner's fault. So hope you enjoy. All right, so let's get right into it. Let's discuss what's already been done to it, why I made those decisions, probably come in breakdown videos in the future. But over the years, I've been able to accrue some pretty rare pieces, like the authentic actual 16 valve wheels. Those are the 7.5s. I'll explain why I got the 7.5s instead of the 8.25s later. Also with the paint, I'll explain to you why I painted it this way later. Just so you guys know the mods that have been done. They are E420 brakes on there, custom suspension, get into that later as well. Smoke taillights that I also had done, custom exhaust. Ended up making some pretty bold decisions, deleting the rear seat, putting in racing seats, not because I had to, but because I wanted to. Also, interior has a different steering wheel. I had all the gauges redone. The center console is that really economical vinyl wrap, but that's another project for another day. Let's pop the hood. Kept the ambers, always keep the ambers. Don't be like those guys who get clears. But if you have clears, that's cool. All right, under the hood, Optima battery, not a big deal. Valve cover was redone. I redid all the hoses on this side, put in a catch can. Hopefully talk about all this stuff in the future on a breakdown. This is just general overview of where we currently stand with the car. Put LED headlights in. Also did the delete for the wiper nozzles up front. Yeah, so this is what we're working with, and we'll see where things go from here.